Alright guys, let us see some more examples on the antiderivative. So on this example, the derivative of a function is given, right? And the initial condition is given. So you want to find out the function fx, the original function fx, right? So you see that when you integrate the derivative, you will get the main function, right? So to find out fx, what you do is, so f of x equals to integral of f prime of x, right? If you integrate the derivative, then you will get the original function. So if you do that, what you get is integral of 6x dx. That gives you 6, and then integral of x dx, right? So basically this is 6 times x squared over 2 plus c, right? Basically what you get is f of x equals to 3x squared plus c. You see that? But what is given is at x equals to 0, the function is 8, right? But how do I do that? Using f at 0 equals to 8, what you get is, so let's plug in x equals to 0, then you will get f0, that is 8 equals to 3 times 0 squared plus c, right? This implies c equals to 8. So what is the final answer then? So f of x equals to 3x squared plus 8. You see that? So actually we got the value of c here. C is 8. This is called the particular solution. Okay guys? So this is called the particular solution. Okay, whenever you find the value of c, that is called the particular solution. Similarly, you can do this one. How do I find out that? G of s equals to integral of g prime of s and then ds, right? Here the function is, this is function of s. That's why I write s everywhere. This is integral of 10s minus 12s cubed ds, right? So what you do is you can write 10 integral of s ds and then minus 12 integral of s cubed ds, right? So if you do that, then you get basically, let me write down here, so 10 times s squared over 2, right? And then minus 12 times s to the 4th over 4, right? Plus c. If you simplify this, what do you get? 5s squared, because 10, so 2 and then 5, right? And similarly 4 and then 3, right? So you'll get minus 3s to the 4th plus c. Okay, but I want to use that g3 equals to 2. Use g of 3 equals to 2. What do you get is, basically what you do is, this is the value of gs, right? gs. Replace s by 3, you'll get g3. So you'll get 2 equals to g3. g3 will be 5 times 3 squared minus 3 times 3 to the 4 plus c, right? So if you simplify, what do you get? 3 squared is 9 times 5 is 45, right? So this is 45, and this is 3 to the 4 is 81, right? Times 3 is 241. So 241 minus, so you will get 241 minus 45 will be 196, negative 196. But if you add that on both sides, you will get positive 190. This implies c equals to 198, right? So what is the final answer then? The final answer will be g of s equals to 5s squared minus 3s to the 4th plus 198. This is what you will get after simplification. Okay, yeah, correct me if I missed something on when I did. This is 241 minus 45 is 196, negative 196. If you add that, you will get c equals to 198. Okay, so here you have f double prime. You see that? So you will have to integrate twice. So you can do f prime of x equals to integral of f double prime. You should do one by one, okay? Dx. So you will get integral of 3x squared dx, right? That will give you 3 integral of x squared dx, right? So how much is that? 3 times x to the 2 plus 1 is 3 over 3 plus c, right? You cancel that. So what you get is f prime of x equals to x cubed plus c. But what is given here is f prime at -1. This is prime, right? F prime at -1 is -2. So you use that. Use f prime at -1 equals to -2. We get so replace x by -1. So you will get f prime of -1, that is -2, equals to -1 to the cube plus c. This implies, what do you get? -1 to the third is -1, and you add +1 on both sides, you will get -1. So c equals to -1. That's what you get. So you plug in here. Hence f prime of x equals to x cubed minus 1, right? You see that? Now you need to find out fx though. So you need to integrate again. So what you do is f of x equals to integral of f prime of x dx. That is integral of x cubed minus 1, right? Dx. This implies f of x equals to integral of x cubed minus integral of 1, right? So dx. What do you get? This is, what is the integral of x cubed? Is x to the third over 3 minus integral of 1 is x, and then plus c. That's what you get, right? Now to find out the value of c, you plug in f at 2 equals to 3. So use f2 equals to 3. We get, what do we get is 3 equals to, you plug in 2 for x, right? So 2 cube is 8 over 3 minus 2 plus c, right? What do you get? So there is 3, and so what is 8 third minus 2? It is 2 third, because 2 is 6 third. So 8 third minus 6 third. You can use calculator to solve for c, but this is 2 third, and then subtract 2 third from both sides. So it will be 9 third minus 2 third will be 7 third. So you will get c equals to 7 over 3. Now you plug in, therefore f of x equals to x cubed over 3 minus x plus 7 third. This is your final answer. Okay guys.